I'm Dr. Mike Shenida. I'm a laser specialist. I'm going to talk to you today about snoring. Why do people snore? The nasopharynx, oropharynx, which is the space behind the throat, is obstructed, is narrow. The result is bad quality sleep. You're tired, you're exhausted. Obstructive sleep apnea, complications, diabetes, hypertension and stroke. And number one, your partner doesn't like it. So snoring laser is safe, quick, painless during the treatment, after the treatment, half an hour session, and it lifts the tissues, it opens the throat again, it gives that airflow to your lungs without vibrating on the walls of the back of the throat.